Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete activity log on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then choose your Facebook profile. Okay, then tap on menus. Click on profile, tap on three dot option. Okay, scroll down, tap on activity log. Scroll down, then your activity history. Okay, click on filters, tap on categories. Okay, your Facebook activity, then click on reaction, tap on like. Okay, tap on three dot option, then click on unlike. Delete your activity. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.